All right, LA Carter's been pretty consistent ever since we did our first crazy nacho video. Been asking about churro nachos for a long time now. I asked them what they wanted on it. Said, well, since you asked, thinking maybe cinnamon sugar dust, maybe a drizzle of 3 sauces like dulce de leche, chocolate, or caramel. Kind of leaves it up in the air. Let's make some churro nachos. Now, every recipe I've seen online doesn't use actual churro batter. That was my biggest predicament. How was I gonna get the churro batter in the shape of a nacho, like a triangle? Well, every single recipe online just uses flour tortillas. A few of them use corn, which I don't think would be great, but we're gonna use flour tortillas. We're gonna cut them into shape. Now we're gonna fry these up. You can do this in the oven. Just hit them with some oil, put them in the oven for a little bit, and it should be similar, but everything's better when it's fried. We're already making dessert nachos. We're not gonna try to make this healthy. All right, we've got our really hot oil here. Set these in here, don't overcrowd it. Let's give them a flip. Doesn't take very long at all. So done, just drain them onto a paper towel. Now while these are still really hot, we're gonna go ahead and mix our cinnamon sugar and get them coated. We've got white sugar here. Let's take our cinnamon. Give that a good mix. Just make sure everything gets really nice and coated. So good just by itself. All right, let's layer on our chips. We're gonna come in here with a big old scoop of ice cream right in the middle. Let's dust it with a little bit more cinnamon sugar. Let's take our chocolate sauce here. Let's go across with the dulce de leche. This is all I could find. They said 3 sauces. I didn't know what to do. He mentioned caramel, but we have the dulce de leche. I thought it'd be good to have some honey, so we're gonna go with Mike's Hot Honey. It's gonna add a depth of flavor. Let's just go in here with a big swirl of Mike's Hot Honey. Gotta get a picture for the Instagram. This might end up being a dessert channel. I mean, this looks really good. I don't even want to eat it because it looks like I'm gonna mess it up. But we're gonna eat it. Definitely gonna eat it. Maybe I should have done whipped cream, little. You live and you learn. You heard me say something about depth of flavor. That honey is a great addition. Mmm. So good. All right, churro nachos. Did not disappoint.